welcome back. Today is Thursday. Did I break my thing? Oh wow, I broke my eyeliner on my brow. I use this eyeliner as a brow liner because I don't really like the way it transfers as an eyeliner. Anyway, today's Thursday. I am off to the office. I've got a few things to do in the office and not really keen on going in, but it has to be done because my bills gotta be paid. Oh wow, I did this eyebrow so funky. So I thought I would just do a quick makeup routine, nothing hectic, super quick. This is the look I do on most off days. It's like a makeup no makeup vibe. So yeah, I had a workout session at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. this morning at to 6:30. It was so hard, but it was really dope and so worth it. And I also hung out and caught the sunrise today. So beautiful. That sunrise was worth it. It was between like 6:30 and 7:45. It was so beautiful, so emotional, just really one of those moments that, I don't know, kind of brings you back down to earth. It was really lovely. Running a little bit late, so I've literally just contoured, reverse highlighted and contoured, and then I put my foundation, a little bit of the MAC mineralizing, what is it called? Mineralized skin finish powder, mascara. If there's one thing you should leave the house with, it's mascara. Setting spray. I'm just gonna put a lip balm. I don't really want color on my lips. Get my do-rag off. I think I told you guys that I went like double platinum. I hate it when that happens. That's easy to fix. Just blend it into the hairline. The thing with going extremely light is it's your makeup. Your makeup messes with your hair. This is the final look. Let's go to the office. So today is nothing special. It's just this green, sage green bodysuit, some straight leg jeans that are cut there, and the classic Air Force ones. Good morning. Good morning. I am on my way to my wax appointment. I still have my do-rag on because when I'm lying on the table, I don't want my waves getting messed up. So I keep my wave cap on, my zoo rag, my ride or die, my baby on. Yeah, so getting in the car, I made a pasta for my colleague and I because we are currently doing evaluations, and yeah, it can get a bit boring. So yesterday, Thursday, we shared a meal. Well, she actually made majority of the meal, so I thought today, let me make a meal. So I made a veggie pasta. I'm running a little bit late, but not too late. I'm okay for time. Yeah, I'm really excited for my wax. I'm on Windermere Street. I'm coming to this place here. I'm craving a croissant, and I hope they have some. Can I have 2 small ones, please? 2 big ones? Okay, got my goodies. Definitely gonna have my croissant on my way to the office with my coffee. It's a plain croissant, nothing special. Yeah, office vibes now. Yeah, man. Okay. No, Chili. No, you were still thinking we're going more, Chili. Come, rock, paper, scissors. Come, Chili. You did that by mistake. No, Chili, come.
I got the rock.
No,
Hello.
come. Best of one. Okay.
Best of one.
Like this next one, you
Okay,
lose.
on count on one.
So it's rock, paper, and then when
So
I say
on three.
scissors, you pull. Yeah, rock, paper, scissors. Go warm.
No, paper.
Yes, paper beats rock.
Hello, no.
Yes.
Rock can paper. Rock can squash a paper.
Fine, I'll go. Yeah. So I have my date. Oh, look at how cute she looks. Do a twirl. Yes, girl. Yes. So we are in Salt Rock.
Yeah.
We're in Salt Rock at Grand Exotic Cafe. We're coming for a ladies' brunch. Hold on. Let me give you a look of what I look like. Yes.
The queen.
Okay, done with today's session. Did some booty. Hold on, let me show you my booty. Ooh, this better be good.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Last year for my birthday, I got this for my 30th, but it looks like that. And now I'm busy assembling. Got 3 handles down, all of that still to go. Wish me luck. So after 1 hour, here's my baby. Yay! Girl power. Thank you.